Hi guys, and welcome back to Simply Forex, the channel dedicated to you, the trader. We want you to be successful in the markets. So guys, I'm going to give you some gold every day. I'm going to let you know which currency pairs I'm looking to trade and which direction. And I'm also going to let you know which news that you must be aware of. If you like these vids, then please subscribe to the channel and like and share. So let's take a look at the chart and what I'm potentially going to trade today.
Good morning, guys. It is Friday, it is the end of the week, and it is the 14th of January. Where does the time go? Already the middle of January. Guys, again, we had a good trading day yesterday, so I hope you followed some of the trade ideas. And today we're looking at 4 potential trades, but bear in mind they are all heavily correlated. It is all Swiss franc strength today that I am seeing. The first one is this. This is the pound against the Swiss franc. As you can see from 2 days ago, we've had 2 bearish candles, okay, and this is telling me we still have a bit of room to the downside, and we can come down to this blue line here at 2430. Okay, so we're looking to short this market. Let's look at H1 for execution. So guys, yeah, we've got quite a big grey zone, but it's a little bit of a messy chart. So what we need to see, guys, is a retrace. We need a retrace so we can get value in our trades, okay? And then we can see price retrace into this grey zone somewhere, and then we're looking for a bearish candlestick pattern, and then we can take price back down to these lows here, and then we can leave some money on the trade and take it back down to our blue daily target, the blue line. All right, guys, so that's the first trade. Yeah, pound against the Swiss franc short. Second trade is this, guys. This is the Canadian dollar against the Swiss franc. Okay, so similar story, guys. Like I say, these are heavily correlated. So we've had 2 very bearish candles over the last 2 days. So again, I think we have a bit of room to the downside, and this blue line is our target, 7251. Let's look at H1 for execution. So yeah, so we want to see price retrace, guys, into this grey zone. Then we want a bearish candlestick pattern to form, and then we can take it back down to these lows first of all. This is always our first target, and then we can leave some money on the trade, guys, and take it back down to the blue line. Okay, so yeah, Canadian dollar against the Swiss franc short. That is our second trade. Our third trade, guys, is the Aussie dollar against the Swiss franc. Like I said, lots of Swiss franc strength today. So as you can see, we've had a sort of a couple of indecision candles, and then we have this large bearish candlestick pattern that formed yesterday. This tells me sellers are in control. Okay, and I think they can push price back down to this blue line at 6601. All right, so again, let's look at H1 for execution. So yeah, we want price to come up into this grey zone, guys. We want a bearish candlestick pattern to form, and then again we can take it back down to this low as our first target, and then we can leave some money on the trade down to our blue line, our daily target. Okay, guys, so Aussie dollar Swiss franc short. And then our last trade for today is this. This is the New Zealand dollar against the Swiss franc. Okay, so yeah, again, we had a couple of days of indecision. See these 2 doji candles, and then yesterday we had a very strong bearish candle. So again, I think we can take price back down to this blue line at 6209. All right, so let's look at H1 for execution. A couple of grey zones here, guys. So price could retrace into here, our first grey zone, and then again we take price back down to these lows. It has to give us at least a risk to reward of 1:1, guys. Okay, and then we can leave some money on the trade and take it back down to our blue daily target. If this doesn't happen, price could retrace all the way up into this grey zone, but again we're looking for a bearish candlestick pattern, and we want to take it back down to these lows, and then we can leave some money on the trade and take it back down to this blue line. All right, guys. So yeah, these are the 4 trade ideas today. Obviously, all heavily correlated. It is all about Swiss franc strength. So again, just trade the one or the one that gives you the best setup, guys. Okay. Right. Let's take a look at the news as well. Before I start the news, guys, if you're enjoying this daily morning analysis and would like to receive it every single morning, Monday to Friday, then please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button, and then you will receive it every single morning. All right, so go ahead and do that, guys. So the news, quite a busy news day today. In 11 minutes at 7 o'clock GMT, we have some data coming out of the UK. So we've got the gross domestic product. This is a 3-star rating. We have manufacturing production, another 3-star rating, and the monthly GDP, another 3-star rating. So these could all move the pound. All right, if we carry on down, at 1:15 GMT, the head of the central bank, the European Central Bank, Lagarde, is speaking, so she can really move the euro when she speaks. And then at 1:30 GMT, we have some data out of the US. We've got some retail sales. So retail sales here and here. 2 3-star ratings coming out of the US dollar. And then other than that, guys, there's no other real news to speak of. I just want to point these ones out. So these US Baker Hughes oil rig counts, these can both really move oil, okay? And therefore move the US dollar and potentially the Canadian dollar. So these are worth keeping an eye out for. But for the rest of the day, as you can see, no more news, guys. All right. So yeah, if you've enjoyed the vid, guys, then please subscribe, like, and share. I hope you have a great trading day and a fantastic weekend, and I will catch up with you on Monday. See you later, guys.